whenever the West Indies team is losing, which seems like every day, typically, the discussions are dominated by another cycle of Craig Brathwaite should be dropped, or John Campbell should never have gotten back in the team, and Shea Hope should not be keeping wicket. Casey Carty is not ready for Test cricket, or it's just because Ruston Chase is the captain, but him to get dropped too. And this goes on and on and on. But my question is, who are the alternatives? Who should replace them? Which players are next in line? Kirk McKenzie, the Jamaican youngster, him average 16. Mikel Louis showed some good promise. Him average 19. Kevin Imlach, the new wicket-keeper batting sensation, him average 13. And the best of them all, Alec Athenes, he averages a massive 25. So basically, these are the exciting options that the big maverick must go out and protest on Black Road for. Well, excuse me, I'm gonna go on Black Road.